Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download from Canva. If you are looking for a way to download designs from Canva, then it's quite straightforward. Open your Canva application on your mobile device or your desktop, and then make sure to log into your account first. Now, select one of your designs that you want to download. You can go ahead and choose from the Recent Designs tab and select one of the designs. Now, once you open it up, if you want to download a design, simply tap on the download button at the top right corner of the screen. Wait for a couple of minutes, and then in the pop-up, click on Save Image option. Right after you do that, you will be able to download the design onto your device's gallery or files folder. That's how you can easily download a design from Canva in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.